What is Amazon FBA business? An Amazon FBA business is an e-commerce model where sellers use fulfillment by Amazon FBA to store, pack, and ship their products directly to customers through Amazon's vast logistics network. Instead of managing warehouses or shipping themselves, sellers send their inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and Amazon handles everything, including delivery, customer service, and returns. This system allows entrepreneurs to build scalable online businesses with minimal operational hassle. The FBA business model offers several advantages, such as Prime eligibility, faster delivery, and higher customer trust. Because Amazon takes care of logistics, sellers can focus on research, marketing, and product development. Whether you're selling private label products or reselling existing ones, FBA provides a simple yet powerful way to reach millions of global customers while maintaining professional fulfillment standards. Most successful Amazon sellers use Helium 10 to build and manage their FBA businesses effectively. Helium 10 helps sellers find profitable products, analyze competition, calculate FBA fees, and optimize keywords, giving them an edge in a highly competitive marketplace. With its precise data and automation tools, Helium 10 makes running an Amazon FBA business smarter and more profitable. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to research products, analyze profits, and grow your Amazon FBA business efficiently at no cost.